It's an honor and a great privilege to be here and stand before you all. And I thank Sujito sir for inviting me to this precious event. Because we are discussing women in translation, so this session and this event is dedicated to women. I would like to say something about women, and we talk a lot about the change which is happening in the society. We say like their time has changed and women are free and they are able to do whatever they like. They are doing, they are getting educated, they are getting qualified, they are working, they are traveling alone and all. But somehow, it's my personal experience, I can say, the incidents I see around me, and I meet people according as per my personal experiences. I can say that whatever we claim that is superficial, particularly if we meet and we go to the depth of a woman's life, there is no such freedom we are talking about. So we claim that women have been free, but the basic question comes. When we say, I don't want to blame all the men. There are exceptions, like exceptions in the English grammar, exceptions in the physics formulas and chemistry, experiment equations, like that. There are exceptions. So I would like to recite one couplet of Mirza Ghalib before starting my Urdu ghazal, which is on women. इब्ने मरियम हुआ करे कोई, इब्ने मरियम हुआ करे कोई, मेरे दुख की दवा करे कोई. Ibn Maryam, he is calling, Ibn Maryam is nothing but Jesus. So we know from the Bible that Jesus used to give life to the dead also. So he says that maybe Jesus was there, he might have healed, or he might have served, or he might have given life to people. But I want that Jesus now. Where is Jesus? Where is my Jesus? So now I want that Jesus. So I have dedicated my ghazal on this couplet. I want to say that I want that Jesus, and I need that Jesus for women. I need to say that. मेरे दर्द इब्ने मरियम हुआ करे कोई. इब्ने मरियम son. इब्ने मरियम हुआ करे कोई, मेरे दुख की दवा करे कोई. तो now I'll start my ghazal. क्यों कर है नरमी में छुपी औरत की मेराज. Meeraj is nothing but the culmination, the climax, when a woman can reach. क्यों कर है नरमी में छुपी औरत की मेराज, क्यों है चुपी में उसकी चाहत की मेराज. इसके दिल के तारों उसकी दुनिया हो तुम, उसके दिल के तारों उसकी दुनिया हो तुम. क्यों उसके आंसू तुम्हारी हिकमत की मेराज. उसकी रोशन बातें तुमको क्यों चुभती हैं, उसकी रोशन बातें तुमको क्यों चुभती हैं. क्यों करते हो तुम अपनी जुल्मत की मेराज. क्यों हो लाजिम तुम पर उसकी हद तय करना, क्यों हो लाजिम तुम पर उसकी हद तय करना. उसकी खुदी में है देखो फितरत की मेराज. फितरत इज नथिंग बट द नेचर. क्यों कर रोके वो खुद को आगे बढ़ने से, क्यों कर रोके वो खुद को आगे बढ़ने से. वो तो बहती नदियां है जैसे कुदरत की मेराज.